Sharia ruling on credit cards. Okay. This is the Sharia standard on debit cards and credit cards, right? So credit card is basically a loan, and in case of loan, the AAOIFI may charge a flat service fee for the services that it has provided. It can get some commission on accepting payments from the party accepting payment, meaning that from the merchant. So in case of credit card, when we use with different merchants, can the AAOIFI take some commission from that? Yes, they can. The AAOIFI is bound to pay the party accepting the card. The cardholder is bound to reimburse the AAOIFI for the payments made on his behalf. It is permissible to purchase gold, silver, or currency if the settlement is as a spot. By the way, this Sharia standard has been issued, very new Sharia standard has been issued on this, which is Sharia standard number 61. It is still in Arabic. بطاقات الدفع. If you are following TAIF or Adl, you may have noticed that just a couple of weeks ago we had a session on that Sharia standard. But for the sake of this exam, you need to still read this Sharia standard, which is in the current, which is the Sharia standard number 2, perhaps. Yeah. This session was brought to you by TAIF and Adl. If you have benefited from it, please share in your social media platforms about both the entities and share the word. Spread the word. Jazakumullah khairan.